Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira. So like you already saw, I know there was some delay in putting up the videos because I'm held up in my personal stuff, so I could not come back and upload videos. So with that, you saw KTM Adventure 390 has finally been sold. Have I sold it for the better of a new motorcycle? Maybe, I don't know, but I have no plans in upgrading for now because I don't tend to use motorcycles much. Plus, I've already done the extreme of Ladakh as well. So with that, I hope you enjoyed your vlog. This the Adventure 390. It was very raw footage. Didn't plan for it because I just came from 6-hour tuning. That is coming up later. I'll walk you through that later as well. So with that, last time I'm sure that you would have seen the vlog that we went for Karcha as well, Kanibe. So basically what happened there, while riding, the knee pads actually started to touch my tank, slightly below the tank panel, and the PPF came out. So I went near Turtle Wax near Alanka. They had a PPF also as an option, Garve or something, that brand. So I went then, I just changed the PPF. That is the video that you're going to see next as well. It's more or less a raw footage, and it costed me roughly about 3,000 to change, 3,500 to change the PPF on both sides. You will just see the raw footage. I think just go ahead and watch that. With that, I'll continue in the next vlog, coming vlog. After that, this more or less after the footage, I'm going to end the video as well. So watch that and we'll continue in the next vlog. See you. Bye.